Have you ever wondered what it's like to build a full PC with only Corsair parts? Well, we are attempting just that. But will it even boot? It is time to sit back and relax and come through this PC building journey with us. The 5000D Airflow features a sleek and minimalistic design with a tempered glass side panel that shows off the interior of the build. Now let's talk about its airflow. This case comes with some pre-installed 120mm fans, and this allows for excellent airflow, which is essential for keeping our components cool during intensive tasks. The case also supports up to 10 fans, well 12 if you also count on the top of the power supply shroud, so we can customize our cooling setup to our liking. When it comes to the dreaded cable management, the 5000D has multiple cable routing channels and Velcro straps. We have tons of space for our components, and it accommodates motherboards up to eATX size, CPU coolers up to 170mm tall, and we can fit some chunky GPUs up in there. 420mm long if you must know. This is the Asus Maximus Z790 Extreme motherboard. This motherboard is compatible with Intel's latest 13th gen processors and DDR5 RAM, but the interesting thing Asus has done is they left the LGA 1200 mounting holes in the PCB so that people can keep their current coolers and utilize them with their new Z790 motherboard. We have plenty of high performance USB, Thunderbolt 4, 10 and 2.5GB LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and a bunch of other stuff that I'm sure every average Joe will be utilizing. We need fast, reliable storage, so 5 NVMe M.2 slots is plenty. This is the Intel Core i7-13700 CPU, and it is a beast of a processor with enough power to make a rocket ship jealous. The CPU features 16 cores and 24 threads, which means it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. It has a boost clock speed of up to 5.2 GHz, which allows for fast and efficient performance. Our RAM of choice in today's build is the Corsair Dominator Platinum DDR5 RAM. It's not the fastest at 5200 MHz or has the best timings at CL40 latency, but it is much better than previous generation 4 RAM, giving us faster speeds, lower power consumption, and higher memory density. Our storage of choice is the Corsair MP600 core. This NVMe SSD features a sleek and stylish design with a heatsink that not only adds to the aesthetics of our build, but also keeps our SSD cool even under heavy loads. I've used this in loads of builds and I've never had any issues yet, so it's been very reliable for me. The iCUE H150i Elite Capellex XT liquid CPU cooler is so cool, it would make an iceberg feel warm and fuzzy. It comes with 3 AF RGB Elite Series fans, a mounting kit for all modern CPU sockets, and a Commander core controller. The cooler also comes with an easy to use mounting bracket which makes installation a breeze. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present the Powercolor Red Devil RX 7900 XT. This thing is so powerful, it'll turn your potato PC into a gaming behemoth. This GPU has excellent cooling performance. The triple fan cooler has a large heatsink with 8 heat pipes that dissipate heat quickly and efficiently. It also has 1 HDMI 2.1 port and 3 DisplayPort 2.1 ports, which will allow me to connect up to 4 displays. This is the Corsair RM1000X Shift power supply. This power supply is a 1000 watt ATX 3.0 power supply that offers excellent power efficiency thanks to its 80+ gold certification. It also has a fully modular design, which means I can easily customize my cable configuration and reduce clutter in my build. But what sets this power supply apart from others is not just its performance, but also its side cable interface. With this side cable interface feature, I can easily access all of my ports and cables without feeling like I'm playing a game of Operation. Well, the moment has finally come and there's only one thing left to do. Let's see if this PC boots. We did it! We had one unlucky subscriber who was scammed on Facebook Marketplace, so we took that $230 PC and we gave it a makeover. Check out that video here after you subscribe.